do you do?
I'm a professional auto detailer. I've done it for the past 15 years. I'm a member of the International Auto Detailing Association.
I didn't even know that existed. I should know that, being in the... I like to think I'm in the car business. Anyway, go ahead.
It's the website for the professional
Tell 'em.
IDA is the-IDA.com.
So is that like a membership, so you know the detail you're hiring has been approved?
Yes, and we have a code of ethics that we have to obtain, and we have to live by them code of ethics.
All right, guys. Well, that's a great tip. I didn't know about that, and I have had detailers that did not do a good job, and I learned the hard way. You can save yourself a step and get the right detailer by going through that organization. You said the website or not? Did you say the website already? See, I'm getting the short-term memory going on.
It's the-IDA.com.
Okay, and I put it below to help you guys out, so there it is right there. And how do they get in touch? Now, tell them what area you cover.
I cover all Berks County. I have a shop in Temple, PA, and I also have a mobile trailer. I bring everything to you, the water, the generator, the chemicals, everything, sunshade as well.
All right, so how do they contact you?
You can go to my website, cjprecisionautomotive.com, or you can call me at 610-823-5939.
All right, so send him some MustangMedic love. He's a detailer. He's into it, and he came up to me and he had to shake my hand because he heard me talking about patina and the value of it. I think I've punched it enough on the videos, but we're going to do it one more time. Tell him.
It's very important. Some of these old cars, people want me to come in there and just blast away, and it adds a certain quality to the vehicle. And
big quality.
Yes, and
to a collector.
Exactly, and a lot of people they want a shiny vehicle, but that's not always what is needed.
No.
Sometimes that patina, that vintage look is what really sets the vehicle apart.
Right, and if you're driving a Shelby, you got a '68, you purchased it yourself. Financially, you're probably doing pretty well if you just bought it recently. Those people are willing to pay very good money. They value it. If they got a cracked steering wheel, and you've got an original steering wheel from the same year, untouched, but with the patina, meaning leaving all the dirt and grime on it, and whatever's on it, let it stay, they will value that much more than cleaning it and doing anything else to it. Don't touch it.
And what I tell some of the other owners, let the new buyer decide what they want to do with it.
Exactly, and sometimes it's a crime, but it's their prerogative because they spent the money. And hopefully big money because you're listening to this video and respecting what we're saying. If you're not, you're going to pay the price.
Exactly.
Boom. All right, so there it is. I'm giving you value today. I'm giving you advice today. There is something to gain out of these videos today. I'm not just going to be running around going, look at a fastback, I love it. All right, here we go.
Although you do love fastbacks.
I love fastbacks. Something about those big bottom girls.